Good afternoon, Mr. Turner and Mr. Kim and fellow students. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Minnie Park and I'm a third presenter of our group. And what I'd like to talk about is English writing. Yes. How about your writing? Let's think about the writing in Korean. How about? Yeah, so? Yeah? Then how about your English writing? Bad? Thank you. And if you are not Native American, you will worry about English writing also. Yes. And we should communicate with English because our major is English language and literature. Yes. So I've divided my talk two parts. First, explaining writing environment in Korea related with my case, and then two tips for helping you improving writing skills. So if you have any question, ask something for after this presentation. Yes. So let me see the first part of this presentation. I've learned English through the textbook and didn't have any chance to use English writing or to meet foreigners. Using a textbook, all my environment, and then a chance to be able to contact English. So, and then I entered the English language and department, so I used to write the essay written in English. Oh my God, the things I should write the paper in English was very, very terrible to me, because even my Korean writing was also so poor. So I don't have any idea about the correct way to write the essay in English. As a result, that in freshman and sophomore, I got a very low grade because I didn't submit the paper of essay and I couldn't write the essay in English. So since then, English was so problem to me. I realized that I have to learn the skill of writing in English. Since then, English has been any more learning for learning's sake. English is a real means which enabled me to survive in this department. This is my background about why I should challenge into the English. Next to about overcoming way to English, to improve English. After the realization, I personally have to run into the barrier of the writing English. I tried to ask a trivial question to professor and even to the friend who I first met just because he or she just seated next to me. In addition to this, I tried to read a good article or novel and transcribe the text, and also started to write English diary, plus sometimes studied grammar and vocabulary. So that's all I have to say on the first part. Let's move on to the second, which I have called two tips. And I refer to this is the title. 블로그를 활용한 영어 일기 쓰기가 초등 영어 학습생의 영어 쓰기 성취도 및 흥미도에 미친 영향. And page 10, they defined writing as representing your thinking onto your paper. So based with this, I will explain two tips. First, have a brave note-taking. Are you shy and are you ashamed to write a memo? Could you take out the note outside? If you are a student, you should write your note in your class. But if you are outside, I think you can easily take out the notebook or your smartphone and write something on your paper. Yes, I think so. Throw out this mind and then change your mind into the challenge and yes, don't afraid of writing something on your paper, and don't hesitate the behavior. Start now, write anything you think on your notebook and smartphone. The collecting the information of everything can be a source of your writing. This is a start. Secondly, I I suggest the transcription. Transcription is very helpful to you. Select a good text and follow the style of writing. However, at this point, you should memorize some sentences and then you write something on your paper, because these accumulations will be mixed up together, and then this will be on your paper of your essay. Let's sum up. Okay, let's sum up this. First, I explained my environment writing skills relate to it by case, and then say the way to overcome the trouble. And second, I suggest 2 tips about improving your writing skills, such as brave note-taking and transcription at a strong hand. Yes, it's all about my presentation. To write in English is difficult. From now on, have brave note-taking and strong hand to write. Remember this. Thank you for your listening.